Please introduce yourself.
Good day, madam. My name is Florida M. Banataw, a 34 years old, married to Francis Banataw, a 40 years old. I have 3 children, 1 boy, 14 years old, 2 girls, 12 years old, and 9 years old. I have 1 sister and 2 brothers. I am the eldest among the family. I'm not afraid of pets. I have experience working in Saudi Arabia for almost 6 years and 2 years in Malaysia. I took care a newborn baby, 11 months, and I care pets, and I do the whole household chores.
Do you know how to take care elderly?
I took care elderly to my grandparents at the age of 78 years old. I don't know how to cook a Chinese food, but I am willing to learn.
Are you willing to work with other maids?
I am willing to work with other maids. It's okay to me if my employer will fix my holidays. Twinkle, twinkle,
Action.
little star.
Action.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.